Ungqongqoshe uMtswaledi uthi ubufakazi obuqoshwe nge-CCTV bubonisa ukuthi onogada yibo abacebise laba abangama-37 ukuba beqe kanjani.
This escape is an inside job. I can assure you it's an inside job because there is a CCTV center there. It works for 24 hours. The CCTV center. And they saw they escaped and they caught them. The reason is that, as you know, this place was under liquidation.
Ungqongqoshe uthe njengomnyango bathole amachaphazelo ngenxa okungaboni ngasolinye phakathi kwenkampani yonogada nezisebenzi zayo. Uthe bazobukeza isivumelwano sabo nale nkampani.
We, as the Department of Home Affairs, will have to deal with the company because it was, in other words, we were collateral damage. As Home Affairs, we were collateral damage between a war between the employees of the security company and their employees.
uPatrick ongunogada omisiwe uthi ungqongqoshe uMtswaledi uhlanakezela iqiniso malungana nokwenzekile. Uyazichitha nezinsolo ezenziwe ngungqongqoshe.
I'm suspended because I knocked off early. I knocked off early because we were verbally told that we need to work 12 hours. Then they will pay us the overtime. But because they didn't pay us overtime, we on the agreement, on the paper, black and white, it's 8 hours. That's what we work for. So now, since there's no overtime, we engaged with the management and we told them that, you know what, because since we're not paid overtime, let's stick to our 8 hours. Then we knocked off. And that a rumor about us telling the inmates to go to run away, it would be stupid for us to do that because there are some of our members who are still working there. We are putting them on danger, you understand? So that rumor, it's a false.
Malungana nezikhalo zokugcwala ngokweqile ungqongqoshe wezasekhaya uthe lokho akulona iqiniso njengoba kunembhede engaphezulu kwezinkulungwane ezine kanti bangaphansi kwezinkulungwane ezimbili abagcine kule ndawo. Ngakolunye uhlangothi onogada bakhala ngamahora abasebenzayo kanye nokungalandelwa kwemigomo efanele.